Here's a step-by-step tutorial for optimizing slow startup performance on Windows 11 using Microsoft's recommended methods. Step-by-step tutorial. Speed up Windows 11 startup. 1. Manage startup apps via the Settings app. 1. Open Settings. Press Win-I to open the Settings app. 2. Navigate to Startup Settings. Go to Apps, Startup. 3. Review and adjust startup apps. You will see a list of applications that start automatically when your PC boots. To disable an app, toggle the switch next to it to the off position. To enable an app, toggle the switch to the on position. For advanced settings, click on the chevron, downward arrow next to the app name to adjust specific settings. 4. Close settings. After making your changes, close the Settings app. 2. Manage startup apps via Task Manager. 1. Open Task Manager. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager, or press Ctrl-Shift-S. 2. Go to the Startup tab. Click on the Startup tab. 3. Review Startup Impact. You will see a list of applications with a startup impact rating. None. The app is disabled. Not measured. The app is enabled but no data is available. Low impact. Minimal CPU or disk usage. Medium impact. Moderate CPU or disk usage. High impact. High CPU or disk usage. 4. Disable high impact apps. Right-click on an app with a high impact rating and select Disable. To enable an app, right-click on it and select Enable. 5. Close Task Manager. After making your changes, close Task Manager. 3. Manage startup items via File Explorer. 1. Open Applications folder. Right-click on Start and select Run. Type Shell Apps folder and press Enter. A File Explorer window will open showing all installed applications. 2. Open Startup folder. Right-click on Start and select Run. Type Shell Startup or Shell Common Startup and press Enter. A new File Explorer window will open showing the Startup folder. 3. Add applications to Startup. In the first window, Applications folder, locate the application you want to start automatically. Drag and drop the Applications shortcut from the Applications folder into the Startup folder window. 4. Close File Explorer. After adding the desired applications, close both File Explorer windows. Following these steps will help optimize the startup process of your Windows 11 device by controlling which applications run automatically.